Hey guys, I'm Maddie from FX Scouts. Now, most traders are using AI completely wrong. They're trying to use it to generate trading signals or to automate their trading, but they're missing the most powerful use completely. AI is not here to replace your trading, it's here to help you analyze how you trade. And when you combine that with a proper trading journal, that's when things get really interesting. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to analyze your trading, why most traders never improve, and a simple 30-day process that can really move you forward in your trading. So here's the real issue that most traders don't acknowledge. They don't really know what they're doing wrong with their trading. They take trades, they win or lose, and then they move on. They don't have a structure, they don't review their trades, and so because of that, there's no real improvement. And that's why having a proper trading journal really matters. Because your trading journal is where your decisions live, where your mistakes show up, and your patterns start to form. And the problem is that most traders either don't journal properly or they don't look to their journal to figure out where they're making the biggest mistakes. So this is where AI comes in. It doesn't replace your journal, but it helps you really analyze it much more efficiently. So you want to think about it like this. Your journal is where you collect your data, and AI is how you analyze that data. And the reason this is so powerful is as a trader, you're often far too close to your own trading decisions. You justify things, you forget mistakes, and you repeat things without really realizing it. AI doesn't do that. It looks at your trading much more objectively. So here's how this really works. Firstly, it helps with pattern detection. You upload your journal entries and you ask it, where am I consistently making mistakes? AI then might tell you, you're cutting winners too early, you're overtrading after losses, or you're ignoring your own rules. Things that you may feel, but you haven't really confirmed. It also gives you amazing psychology insights. So you can ask, what emotional patterns do you see in my trades? And it'll pick up things like hesitation, revenge trades, or loss of confidence in your trading. It also helps you with performance breakdown. You can say, where is my actual edge? And it might show you which setups work best for you, which time frames suit you best, and when you perform your worst. It also shows you your blind spots, and this is the big one. So you can ask, what am I not seeing? And this is where AI truly becomes very powerful. And the reason AI is so much better than humans at this is because most traders don't fail because they lack information. They fail because they're unable to truly analyze themselves objectively. So having listened to a few other traders and having tried it myself, this is something I can highly recommend if you are wanting to try out AI in your trading. For the next 30 days, use your trading journal properly and then spend 5 to 10 minutes analyzing it with AI. That's it. So step 1, you want to journal all your trades properly. This is very important. You need clear trade reasoning, you need your entry and exit logic, and you need your emotional notes. Because AI is only as good as the information that you feed it. Step 2, I want you to analyze it daily. At the end of each session, ask, what did I do well today? What mistakes am I repeating? And what should I focus on tomorrow? I'll put these questions in the show notes below so you can simply copy them out. Then step 3, you want to look for patterns weekly. At the end of the week, you want to say, summarize my biggest weaknesses this week. And this is where things often click. And this is often where you'll see if you've made progress or not. So this works because after 30 days, you don't just have trades. You have patterns, you have data, and you have insight. And that's what most traders never get. It basically becomes a trading coach of sorts, a mentor that can help you recognize where you're falling short and what your strengths are. And what it'll help you to also do is to build on those strengths. And if you only build on the strengths 1% a week, by the end of the year, you would have improved 52%. And that's something huge to really consider when you think about your trading. One important thing though, don't use AI to predict the market. You also don't want it to generate signals for you, and you don't want it to replace your decisions. You want it to help you improve how you think, because this is where trading is going. Traders who track their data, analyze it properly, and improve consistently will always outperform those who don't. So here's your challenge. Number 1, use your trading journal. Number 2, analyze it with AI. Number 3, do it consistently for 30 days. And number 4, see what changes. If you do find a change, even over the next week or two, if you've started this process, please leave a comment in the comment section below and let us know how it's improved or what you found out about yourself. We'd be very interested to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't hesitate to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.